Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix a suspended Remitly account. So step 1, open your Remitly app or go to their website remitly.com and try to log in your account. Step 2, if you see a suspension notice, don't panic because we will try to fix it in this video. Step 3, go to Remitly account or remitly.com and click help. You will see there chat and phone or the contact support. Step 4. Explain your issue clearly in live chat or email. Include your full name, email, and phone number. Step 5. Be ready to upload valid ID or documents if they ask for verification. Their support usually replies about 24 to 48 hours. And that's how to recover a suspended Remitly account. Thanks for watching.